Starting a business is one of the best ways to building wealth for your family. Building business credit is one of the best ways to build generational wealth and create the legacy that you want for your family. And in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can get approved for up to $50,000 in a business line of credit with no personal credit check. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you everything related to business and finance. Today I'm going to explain to you how to get your business line of credit even if you have bad credit on your personal credit files. But before we dive into the video, let me explain what a business credit card is. A business credit card is a card used solely for business expenses. It is a revolving line of credit with a specified credit limit used to pay your company related expenses. Like a personal credit card, businesses spend on their cards throughout the month and receive a statement with the total balance owed after the specified billing cycle. If the balance is paid in full, there is no interest charge for that period. Business credit cards often come with extra benefits for you and your company, including cashback, employee cards, and technology benefits such as accounting, integrations, and spending controls. The company we'll be discussing today is Capital on Tap. To apply for Capital on Tap, you must have an active business that has been running for more than 6 months. You have to have at least $2,500 per month in revenue, make money mostly from selling goods and or providing services. So before you apply for this business line of credit, you want to make sure your business has already been incorporated with your Secretary of State. If you haven't already formed your business yet, down below in the description there's a link where you can get a free LLC to begin this process. Once you have your LLC, you want to make sure your business also has your EIN number, which can be done free on the IRS website. The EIN number is your social to your business, and you also want to make sure you have your business bank account that your business revenue is going to. Unfortunately, at the time of this video, Capital on Tap isn't taking sole proprietors, charities or non-profits, trusts or funds, clubs or non-registered organizations. When applying, your credit limits are determined by the credit quality of the applicant. The highest quality applicants will receive the highest credit limits. So if you have more than one business, it's best to start with that business bank information as you build the revenue of your other businesses. So whichever one has the most revenue, start with that company. But if you only operate one business, you are still eligible to apply as long as that business brings in $2,500 in revenue. You can apply for the Capital on Tap business credit card online. You will need to provide your tax identification number, also known as your employee identification number or EIN, and some personal and business details, including your business's legal name, your monthly revenue, and business address. The Capital on Tap business credit application takes about 2 minutes. Most of the applicants receive a credit decision within 24 hours and their physical card in the mail 4 days later. The benefits of applying for the Capital on Tap business credit card: they'll give you 1.5% cash back on every purchase. There's no annual fee, credit limits up to $50,000, rates as low as 9.99%, APRs range 9.99% to 34.99%, free employee cards and virtual cards available minutes after approval. There's also perks like having all your business spending going towards exceptional rewards for you and your business. Unlimited free 1.5% cash back on every purchase. If you spend $10,000 per month on business expenses annually, $1,800 comes back to you in rewards. You get $200 back if you spend $15,000 in your first 3 months, and you can redeem points for discounted travel and gift card rewards. When applying for the Capital on Tap, you will have the option to choose if your business is an LLC or a corporation. You'll need to submit your business legal name, your EIN number, year in business, monthly revenue, business phone number, business address, your website, the industry of your business, if you're going to pay your credit card back in full, or the minimum amount, which is 10% of your balance, and your personal information, just in case you default on the business credit card. Once you have submitted your application, you will get a response on the amount you are approved for, and your card will ship within the next 4 days. This brings me to the end of this video. If you found this video to be helpful, please let me know down in the comments below. To be sure I'm providing information to you that you're enjoying, I love to hear your feedback. Up next, you'll find more videos like this one on how to build your business credit. I am Tiara Pace, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye.